Hey guys and welcome back! While I was playing with the game, I realized we haven't considered one scenario, which is if the game gets minimized, the music keeps playing. This can be really annoying for the user, and considering we are professionals, we have to fix this. Before starting, let's help our hero saving the day by smashing the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks a lot and let's start! This is fairly easy to be implemented. In the sound handler, we'll implement two new methods. First one is resume, which will check if we were supposed to play music and the player is not null, we will resume the music. Pause will pretty much do the same, but instead of resuming, it will pause the music. In the screen manager, we'll have to override the lifecycle state change method. Essentially, if the state of the game is changed, this method will get called. So, if the state is resumed, it means the game was reopened, so we can resume the music. If the state is paused, we'll have to pause the music. I will start the game and let's check our emulator. So, if we minimize the game, the music stops. If we resume the game, the music gets resumed as well. If I minimize the game entirely, again the music stops. If I open it back, the music is back too. Of course, you can use such events for various reasons. I wish to publish this version too, so I'll increment the version in the popspec.yaml file. Same as before, I'll open the console and run flutter build app bundle. We have the binaries, so let's create a new release. I will drag and drop the binary file and wait for it to be uploaded. Then we have to add some description, hit save, review release, and if you're happy with it, start rollout to production. And we are done. This is kind of all I had in mind for this series. If you have any special requests, let me know in the comment section and I'll come up with follow-up videos. If not, I hope you enjoyed it and it helped you learning how to build phone games. If you haven't done that already, please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I do post a new video. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you on the next video or next series. Cheers!